today I show you a few interesting tricks you can do with the torch light or the flashlight on your iPhone. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max and that's the flashlight. And you can actually change the intensity of the flashlight or even zoom in with the torch, with the flashlight. I start the flashlight from the control center. I have a dedicated button. There are many ways to start the flashlight. You can use the action button, but when I have this window here, you can see that it's actually changing the focus and also changing the intensity. When the flashlight is on, you can access it from the dynamic island, and you can always bring back this window, and sliding up or down on it, it will change the intensity for higher to lower, and left and right will change the focus. Somehow it's doing, you see on my hand, it's changing the focus. I believe there are two LED lights inside. There is one focused and one wide, and it's changing, alternating between them. But it's a really cool trick. So if you don't know about this, this will really help you. If you use the phone flashlight to see something far, you can zoom in like that, make the flashlight zoomable so you see really well far away. But if you're only trying to see where you're working, the regular flashlight and maybe high intensity will be fine. Also, if you're trying to put the keys in the lock or when you open a door, maybe not such a great intensity you would need for the flashlight. You have the flashlight, or you can have it on the lock screen, you can have it on the action button in the control center, you can have it in multiple places to get to the flashlight and see where you're going. The torch or flashlight is probably one of the most useful features of a phone. Thanks for watching.